Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of Halloween costumes, and we found something truly special. The Spirit Halloween Toddler Trash Truck Ride-Along costume. Let me tell you right off the bat, folks, this isn't your average Halloween getup. This is the cream of the crop, the pinnacle of toddler costumes, the best garbage truck Halloween costume you'll find on the market. What makes this costume stand out? Well, for starters, it's all about the details. Crafted from high-quality recycled polyester material, this outfit not only looks the part but also champions sustainability. Plus, with its 3D design and adjustable straps, your little one will be cruising the neighborhood streets in style and comfort. But it's not just about looks, practicality matters too. That's why this costume is easy to wear and easy to clean. Simply spot clean it to keep it looking fresh for all the Halloween festivities. Now, let's talk about versatility. Whether it's Halloween night or dress-up playtime, this costume is guaranteed to spark joy in your little one's eyes. And hey, who says it's just for Halloween? With its durable construction, this costume can withstand countless adventures throughout the year. So, if you're in the market for the ultimate Halloween costume that's equal parts fun, comfort, and sustainability, look no further than the Spirit Halloween Toddler Trash Truck Ride-Along costume. Your little one will thank you, and you'll be the hero of Halloween night. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy costume hunting!